guys, today I'm going to be making for you one of my favorite citrus smoothies. So for this recipe, what you're going to need is 2 oranges. So I've just peeled the oranges and I'm going to use the whole orange. So 2 of those, I've got 1 large banana. I'm going to be using 1 scoop of the Happy Whey vanilla protein powder. I'm using whey, but you can also use vegan. And I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of ground turmeric in my recipe. I've got some ice and I've got 1 cup of coconut milk, which is going to make it really nice and creamy. So I'm just going to blend all of these ingredients together and I'm going to have it nice and cold.